Pretty nice one up there. I switched over to a different Bobby Garland jig. Now I'm using a live minnow 2.5 with 1/32 ounce jig head, and it's the first day of spring, and we're skipping docks. Perfect way to catch crappie before the spawn. Just ideal because they're hiding up underneath these shaded areas, fishing in about 13 feet of water, and just letting the jig head sink down to about 8 feet. See on the fish finder, we're marking a ton of fish, so we're going to keep on going, see if we can catch some more of these and get them in a live well. Jimmy Brown here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's catch another one.